Welcome. In today's tutorial, we're diving into the updated process of adding a photo to your highlight cover on Instagram. This simple step can enhance your profile's aesthetic and make your highlights stand out. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all your features seamlessly. Next, click on your profile photo located at the bottom left corner of the screen. This action will take you to your profile page where you can manage all your posts and highlights. Once you're on your profile, look under your bio for the highlight you want to edit. Highlights are those little circles that showcase your favorite stories. Now, click and hold on the highlight you wish to change. A menu will pop up, giving you several options related to that highlight. From this menu, choose Edit Highlight. This will allow you to make changes not only to the stories within the highlight, but also to its cover image. Now, it's time to change the cover. Click on Edit Cover, and you'll see an option with a gallery icon. This is where the fun begins. Next, click on the gallery icon to access your phone's photo library. Here, you can select any image you want to use as your new highlight cover. Choose a photo that best represents the content of that highlight, or one that fits your overall aesthetic. After selecting the photo, click Done to confirm your choice. Finally, click Done again to save all your changes. Your new highlight cover will now be visible on your profile. And there you have it. You've successfully added a photo to your highlight cover on Instagram. This small update can make a big difference in how viewers perceive your profile. Keep experimenting with different images to keep things fresh and engaging. Thank you for watching, and happy Instagramming.